Okay, to draw a penguin, you want to start off with 2 circles. Then, draw the eyes. And then you can do the beak like this. 2 circles next to each other, then the eyes, beaks like that. And you just do a big circle around like this. Then you make like a little half circle connecting the beak. And you can color all this in. And then another circle like this. And then you go over and do a V like that for the feathers, and then down, and another V like that, and a little oval, another oval, 2 lines. And just color and to finish it off, you can add 3 little hairs on the top, just to make them look more goofy.